9:49 macro started. Previous day high, Asia high, 9:30. London high at 3 o'clock. And we have this 15-minute fair value gap CB that's open. I want to be very much bullish today. I want to see markets. I want to see the price take out and get delivered to the London high at 3 o'clock. I like how price respected this 1 hour busy buy side and efficiency right here. Jump down to the 1 minute time frame. We have the first person fair value gap. The first person fair value gap, which formed at 9:43. I like how price respected it, leaving the lower half open at 9:48 macro time. We're gonna see if price wanna come back and dip down to it, or is it gonna keep on going up, coming into the 5 minute sell side inefficiency fair value gap at 3 o'clock London. This is a London fair value gap on a 5 minute time frame. I would like to see price get well delivered into this fair value gap because it's still valid, taking out this short term London high, and then probably coming into this 15-minute fair value gap in here. But that's my direction. That's my bias for today. I don't want to see price come back down and close below this 1 hour fair value gap. If price come back down and close below this 1 hour fair value gap right here, then I like to see the new week gap of last month on the 30th get delivered to, and I also like to see this major sell side liquidity last month on the 27th get delivered to June. So depending how price close on a 1 hour time frame, it's either gonna come up here and take out these minor buy side liquidity, or come down here and take out this major sell side liquidity. But today I want to be bullish. I want to see the market go up into this 5 minute fair value gap, taking out these equal highs, these equal these equal highs right here. I'm sorry, chat, but yeah, I want to see price come back up and take out these equal highs, coming into the London high and coming into this 15-minute SIBI. Same with ES. Okay, ES taking out London high. Now I want to see ES probably take out Asia high as well. I like how ES respected the 15-minute fair value gap, leaving the lower half open. Also on a 1 hour time frame, I like how I left the lower half open, showing itself that it wouldn't be bullish, and showing me that the sell side liquidity is weak. The sell pressure is weak. So right now, price traded back up into the first person fair value gap of the 30th of yesterday's Monday first person fair value gap, which is this blue line right here. And I don't need this, don't worry. These highs right here, I want to see this minor buy side liquidity get delivered to, and also this buy side liquidity. I don't have to mark it on the 1 minute time frame because I already marked it on the 15-minute, which is London high at 3 o'clock. And on the 5 minute time frame, it's a fair value gap right below London high. It's a 5 minute valid fair value gap that I like to see price get delivered to. It's 9:53 right now. So an entry could have been price also respected this other fair value gap, busy fair value gap. So you could have you could have got an entry right here. Stop loss would have been below this wick right here, which is would have been, I'll just put 20 pips. And then first partial would have been 50 pips, which is the 5-minute fair value gap. And then you could have let a runner run into London high, which is 67 pips, 68 pips, almost 70 pips, and that's it. You can be greedy and aim for like 80, 90 into the 15-minute fair value gap, but I just want to see this right here get delivered to. So this is a nice entry on 948, but it's not 54. We still in micro time, so let's see. If not, let's see. But I want to see micro come back down. I want to see price come back down, probably into this London low, or try to come back into this London low. Barely come back to the first percent of value gap for another entry going longs. If not, if it doesn't do that, then I'm just gonna sit tight and be patient. And I'm not switching my bias because I don't have targets. If market was to drop down, I don't have like no target to aim for, rather than this red major sell side liquidity, 170 plus pips. But yeah, that would be my only target. But I'm not looking for any shorts right now though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to see longs. Let's see if price come and trade back down into the London low. This is the 5-minute London low at 550. This is the London low, but you see it got delivered to it at 8 o'clock, 7:50, 8 o'clock. It got delivered to it. But I'm not gonna delete it just because it got delivered to, because price still be like, price will still react to that certain level. It will still react to that certain level. So gotta have that on my chart still. Okay, price look like it don't want to come down and close below it real quick, but I'm still gonna wait. Still gonna wait and be patient. If it runs without me, run without me. If it runs to my target without me, it is what it is. Okay. Let's see if price come back down and treat it like an inversion. Alright, so price is trading up top of the 1 hour BISI. This is the top of the BISI right here. So let's see if price can trade through it real quick. Coming back in here. It's 958. Alright, yes, first principal value gap is right here. This is yes, first principal value gap. See how the body is staying. You see how the wicks the only thing the wicks is doing is coming inside the 1 hour busy. Okay, let's see if the 15-second time frame. Let's see if the body stays be above the 1 hour busy upper half. Okay, this came into it. All right, so this would have been another entry right here, chat. Aggressive entry too. This would have been an aggressive entry right here. Stop loss would have been 30, right? So 30. This is a 1 to 92. So if you're risking $100, you'd be making $192. All right. Now if you're risking 200, you'd be making 292. Oh, am I tripping? Okay, damn. Look what 10 o'clock just did.
The market is open.
10 o'clock came down almost to the stop loss, but then came back up. God. I want to see very much bullish, man. Alright, so it came down into the first business value gap. I like that. You feel me? Now I want to see a straight run to the upside. Come on, man. On the 15-minute time frame, look how all the bodies stays like below the London low. I mean, this close above that, but I don't like how they are just trying to close below London low. I don't like that right there. But on a 5-minute time frame, though, I mean, this can be a 15 too. I ain't gonna lie. You gonna put it right here because that's the low of it. We good though. We good. Cause this, yeah, we good though. It's 10:01. You feel me? Okay, yes, did the same thing. Coming back down to the first Pacific Ray gap. As you can see, it wicked down. Only the wick did it though. The body closed all the way up here. So yeah, I want to see London high get delivered to on ES ASAP as soon as possible. Right now, chat, you just be patient right now, man. All right, it's 10:03. Let me see if this is gonna be a good long position right here at 10:03. With a mini stop loss. Okay, so this would have been my first trade right here. 10:04 on the first percent of a rate gap, and that would have been 25 stop loss. You feel me? So I'll take 2 trades a day. If the first one don't play out, second one got bound to play out. So 68 pips. So that's a 2 to 7. So I'm risking $100. If I'm risking $100, I'm making $270 off this shit, off 100. Let's see if I'm correct. Buy.
Order filled.
Buy. So if I'm risking $100, right? Ramon! So if I'm risking $100, right? To make. So now this I'm risking 100 to make 267. Right? Oh, yeah, I'm right. So 267. Yeah, I'm right. I was trying to see some shit real quick, chat.
Order filled.
That's all. Alright. So yeah, so right here, 25 pips. And we aiming for this. Alright, now we vibing. We good now. Told you I want to see price come back down for retracement. Nice retracement. Now we just be patient and wait. First trade. I want to see price come back up. Take out this minor buy side at 950. The first percent of a rate gap. Also want to see this pre-New York high get taken out on the first percent of a rate gap. This pre-New York high. And it's also inside the 5-minute fair value gap. Bissy. Sibby, I think. Yeah, Sibby. 5-minute Sibby. Pre-New York high. You need to get taken out. And yeah. This high also need to get taken out on a 5-minute at 4:30. And yeah, chat. Right now we just being patient, risking $100. $100, nigga, $100. $100 per trade. So if I did one, that'd been 50. 17. So let's say I risk $50. Nah. Here is 50. Damn. So if I did 200, if I risked 200 out this shit, I'm making, what's the name? God. 25 pips to make, you feel me? There's a 2.7. first trade, man. Let's see if that bit play out, or let's see if I lose $100. Let's see if I lose $100 or if it play out. You feel me? You feel me? We got stop loss below these two lows, and we got stop loss. Stop loss really could have been right here under this low, but nah, I don't want it to be that big of a stop loss. You feel me? I think we should be straight under this low, and that's the classical encroachment on the 1 hour fair value gap. So we should be good, because if price do want to come down into the 1 hour classical encroachment fair value gap, then most likely it's gonna be coming. It's gonna want to come lower to take out this 8 o'clock low right here, and it probably if it do want to take out this 8 o'clock low, I know it's gonna want to bounce off the new week gap or the old week gap. It might want to bounce off of this to really take out the London high. So, but I'm gonna give myself until 11 o'clock, 11:30 ish, for me to get off the charts if I don't find nothing. If this trade don't play out, but really though, if price do come down into 1 hour classical encroachment, best believe it have a possible chance of coming to this 8 o'clock low, and then coming into the new week gap, and probably bouncing off the new week gap to go higher. So, and then then it's gonna fill in this gap right there. But we're just gonna let time tell and see. It's 10:10, 5 more minutes into this micro end. Price is coming back down into the first percent for value gap. Let's see what the 1 hour candle look like. So see, look at the 1 hour time frame. We see how price respected the classical encroachment, and at 2 o'clock on the 30th, it respected the classical encroachment. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to see price come, but look how this wick came all the way down, and it still respected the classical encroachment, because the wick did the damage. That's why I say I would put my stop loss below this low, but I don't want to be risking that much anyway. I'm straight with only risking 25 pips. I ain't gonna lie, because I can always rejoin it again, because I'm only risking 25 pips. Like, I'm accepting the risk. That's why I don't really care. That's the big thing in trading. That's what plays a big part in trading. You have to accept the risk. But my stop loss is reasonable to be right here, because it's below the classical encroachment, and I don't want to see price come back down and close below the classical encroachment level. So everything should be straight. Price came down into the first percent of value gap. I don't need this right here no more. Let's see what 15 second look like. I want to see this short term minor buy side get delivered to on the 15 second. I want to see price close above this short term high on the 15-second time frame. This actually can be a target, because that right there, it would be 37 pips. You feel me? So I can take one off right here, low key, and then let the rest one run right here. There's 50 pips. And there's 70 pips right here. 69, almost 70. Okay, price traded into the okay then, little bro. So price took out this 15-second minor buy side liquidity, took this off. Now I want to see price. Okay, price closed above that. Now I want to see price trade into this minor buy side liquidity. 952, close above it. $30 pips, floating $30 pips right now. I got boogers, chat, my bad. Okay, on ES, all price did was come back down into the 1 hour fair value gap, failing to come inside the 15-minute fair value gap right here at 10 o'clock. And this is 10 o'clock low. This wick right here is 10 o'clock low. And I don't want to see price come back down here, because this is 10 o'clock low. Now I just want to see it straight up run. Now I want to see it take out this Asia high, right? This Asia high? Yeah, Asia high. And I want to see it close above the London high. And yeah, I love how I respected the first person for right gap. It came back down at 10:10 at the end of the macro, saying goodbye to the first person for right gap. Then yeah, going up. Same with ES. I need ES. Okay, so ES closed above the 15-second minor buy side liquidity that I just marked off. So I don't need this no more. I like how I did that. Now I need price to trade into the Now I need price to trade into the 5-minute SIBI fair value gap. Like what I said in the beginning of the video. So I need this minor buy side to get filled, the pre-New York high at 7, and then I need the London high right here to get filled. And that's right above the 5-minute SIBI fair value gap. And yeah, like how everything playing out. Everything playing out so far so good. Just like that. I really could have been done for today, because that's 50 pips. Damn near 50 pips. You feel me right here? But that shit easy, man. Hold on. I got to take some partials out, because this is a W trade. And I'm at break even, so I ain't losing nothing no more. I'm not losing nothing. I don't got no risk. Take some partials off. You feel me? I'm straight. I'm Gucci. Nice little trade. Nice little trade today, man. That's all you need in the chart. That's all you need. I had a little drawdown. You feel me? Probably like 5 to 10 pips drawdown. That's it. And then yeah. You feel me? Love how this played out, man. Let's see how it treats the Monday first reserve right gap. Let's see how it treats that. It might treat that like an inversion to make it go back up into London high. Like how everything playing out, man. I'm chilling, bro. I got no risk on the table. I got 0 risk on the table. And I took some partials. So you can come down all the way down if you want to. I don't give a damn. I don't give a flying fuck. That's why it's good to take partials, and it's good. I ain't gonna say it's good to go break even, but I go break even when I'm like when I'm supposed to, like when like, you feel me? But I don't always go break even now, or I just reduce my risk. Hold on, chat. The fuck is that? Ugh. Hold on, my nigga, chat. Bitch. Fuck nigga die. Fuck nigga die. Bitch ass nigga. Chat. Chat. Stop playing with a nigga. You feel me? I need to stop making my videos so long, bro. Like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is too long. At least like 15. But I don't like cutting it, nothing though. I don't like cutting nothing. I like you guys to see my emotions, what I'm thinking about, what am I doing. You feel me? And I'm not even recording this for y'all. I'm recording this for me, cause I love to go back and look at my videos, what I messed up on, what I could have did, what I shouldn't did, what I shouldn't say, what I should have said, why did it do that around that time. It's just for me. So you guys need to start recording yourself trade and go back to it. So price came back down into the 5-minute London low right here. Remember I told you guys price love to respond. It like to react to like the previous lows and highs. Even though it got delivered to them, still keep them on your charts because price love to react to them again. It never fails. It's like a little magnet. No cap. So price. So right now I'm up 10 pips. Price went all the way up into 48 pips. You feel me? And I took my partials off right here. You feel me? And my break even. Ooh, hit my break even. Hit my break even if you want to. My break even chat is the second for the second, not the second, but the lower half of this first Pacific right gap. The lower half. Because price can also, okay, it hit break even. Alright. It's straight. Straight chat. I took a dub still. Still took a dub. As long as you make 30 to 50 pips, that's a dub, chat. No cap. So I entered right here at 10:10, right here, right, leaving 25 pips. Even if I ain't go break even, my shit would have got hit. Cause if I enter right here, 25. Oh, no, never mind. It would have got hit. Cause my stop loss is right here, 25 pips. You feel me? But shit. So I got in right here. Got in right there. Got out at 49 pips. Took some partials off. Down at break even. So took some money off the table. And yeah. 30 pips was above these highs right here. That was 30 pips. So if you make 30 to 50 pips a day, bro, you crushing it. You crushing it, bro. No cap. Even though I was aiming for this and this, it don't have to get filled right now. All I needed was 30 to 50 pips off the table, and I got it. So that was a dub in my eyes. So I'm going to end this video. I don't want it to be too long. And I'm going to fuck with you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. If God willing, I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. And have a great day.